Hi friends, this is Prime Minister YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off touch sound in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. While touching anywhere on the screen, that is whether you are opening one app or dialing something on the keyboard, or if you go on navigation, then whatever may be, if you happen to touch on the screen, there will be some sound. Okay, see here. So this is very small sound. For best effect, use microphone to experience that sound. Okay, so if you want to turn off that sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings, then go to sound and vibration, and here you go to select touch sounds. Just you go to turn off this buttons, touch sounds. Now you will not experience that very small teeny sound. See here, I touch something here, something here, and I go on navigation. There is no sound. Okay, because it is turned off. So in this way you can easily turn off touch sound in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.